Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about one of the premium features of C++, which is stud variant. Stud variant is very useful when you have a situation in which you're expecting some data and it could be of n number of data types. So let's say you have some data, someone is returning a data to you and it could be an int, it could be a double, it could be a string. So the data type will depend on the type that is being added by the end user. So in those cases, we can use something called stud variant. Stud variant is very powerful. Stud variant usually represents a type safe union. So the main point is data will only hold any of the two values, or it could be empty. So how do we read this data? So I have a stud variant. I'm only supporting int and double at the moment, and I have given a double value to the data here, and if I want to read the data, I can use the stud get call. I need to give the parameter double and read the data. Then it should actually give me the result. Let's try to run this. So we have the data as 3.3. So we can also go here and change the data to be of type integer. So I'll just keep 20. I'll just comment this line and I'll try to see if I can get the int out of it. Let's run this again. So now the data is 20. So this is how we implement stud variant. This is really helpful when you have multiple data types that can be written by someone and you want to work on it. So how do you make sure this code doesn't break? So there is a get if command that we can try to check if the data is actually int or not. So let's say you don't know what the data actually contains, so you can put a guard like this. If the result from the get if is not of type int, then you can ignore it. So let's say I'm running this. So now it says data is of type int. Let's say I was checking for a float. I was expecting a float. Then I can add something like if we run this. Hmm. Sorry, it should be double actually. So now you can say that now you can see that it's not of the type float. So this is one method to make sure that the code is not crashing. There is one more way. We can actually put it in a try catch block and we can check for a bad variant access. So it's like this. If you let's try if I can will it work? Yeah, let's see if I try to get a string which is not defined in the variant type. Let's see what will happen. No, it will still fail. Okay, let's check double again here. So you can see it's thrown an exception like wrong index for variant. Yeah, so this is how we use stud variant. It's really powerful. It's really helpful in various cases. I hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching my channel.